how to add your own audio to Instagram Reels. So it's actually really easy. As you can see right here on the Reels, they have a lot of audios just like this one that has actually been reused over and over. If you want to have your own audio, you can click on this plus icon right here, click on this reel, and then just choose in here a reel that you want to use. Now in here on the audio option, you can see that they have in here this for you options, wherein you can see in here some music as well as audio from other creators. So if you want to have your own audio, you can head over and then click on this voiceover option right here. And that way, the audio name will be named after your username. And then from in here, you can actually upload your own audio, which will be your voice, or you can also create some music and then have it listen to that particular music in order to add this as your own. So that's how you add your own audio to Instagram Reels. Hope we help.